Welcome to a new era of Braille literacy. Introducing the Braille Word Builder. 5 lines forming block by torch it. Let's dive into the features that make this tool a game changer for individuals with visual impairments.
Imagine a tool that transforms Braille learning into a hands-on, interactive experience. The Braille Word Builder does just that with its specially designed 5/8 line forming block.
At the heart of this innovation is the forming block, a tactile guide with raised dots representing the Braille alphabet. Users can effortlessly create Braille words and sentences, unlocking the power of language.
But it's not just about creating words. It's about feeling the language come to life. The forming block provides tactile feedback, allowing users to sense the position and arrangement of Braille dots.
The Braille Word Builder empowers users to construct words and sentences of varying lengths and complexity. From simple words to advanced sentences, the possibilities are endless.
And here's the cherry on top: portability. This compact and lightweight tool goes where you go, whether at school, home, or on the go.
Crafted from high-quality materials, the Braille Word Builder is your durable companion on the journey to Braille proficiency.
Now, let's talk about the impact. The Braille Word Builder isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for Braille literacy development, offering a tactile learning experience that fosters independence and confidence.
Unlock the power of Braille literacy with the Braille Word Builder 5 lines forming block by torch it. Visit our website and embark on a journey where words come to life. This is a Braille Word Builder. With the help of this, we can write anyone's name. This is a very helpful device for me, and I recommend to all visually impaired friends to use it once.